Where are you, Jess? Do you know where you are? Where are you? Santa Claus. You come to Butterley to see Santa, haven't you? Yes. And there's Rubble's digger. Hello. There's a signal, look. Signal. A few more trains. Pacers. Oh, stay behind the yellow line there.
And there's 2 trains, Daddy.
I can see 3 trains. And Thomas.
What?
Thomas up there. And there's Mummy, all the way down there. Come with me, I'll show you. Oh, I think I can hear it. I think I can hear it. There's Thomas. Down there. Can you see him? I don't think he's working though. Whoa! That's Thomas. Have a sit. Are you going to sit in Thomas? Oh, it's a bit wet, isn't it? It's been raining. Jess, train's coming! Quick! It's coming. There's Rubble. Rubble's yellow digger.
Oh, it's coming, Daddy.
Yes, I can see steam.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
There it is. There you go. Walk to Mummy. Walk to Mummy.
Mom, Thomas is coming.
A. We'll be inside in a minute, don't worry. That was it on the front.
Where are you going?
He'll be coming back.